Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add music in Snapchat. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Snapchat account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Watch this video till the end so you will be able to know how to add music in Snapchat. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Snapchat. Here we go. Now firstly, you have to take the snap in this way. Click on that circle on the bottom middle. Now at the right corner you can see different options. You can see the icon of music as well. Tap on that. Now here you can see different options of the music. You can choose any of the music of your choice, or if you don't find it in the option, at the top you can see that search bar. Type there the name of a song that you wanna put in your snap in this way. Now here songs are appeared. Choose your song that you are gonna put in this way. In this way you can easily put the song of your choice in your snap. I hope you guys are now clear how to put music in your snap. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Comment down what you guys wanna see next. Thank you.